So now to perform today's task on Hamster Kombat, we're just quickly going to do the following. Follow me step by step, and you'll be getting your 5 million coin in some minutes time. So come to this mine, click on the mine, and under markets, locate BTC pairs and go ahead with it. So you can see we have claimed the first one. So now the next one, we are going to look for the app center listing. The app center listing. We are going to find that. Okay, so if you have not done this one, if you have not gotten your app center listing before, you are going to see it under new card when you come to special. Let me repeat. You go to special, you come to new card, and then you look for app center listing. That is if you have not purchased it before. But if you have purchased it before, quickly come to this my cards. That's where you mine is right now. So I'll click on it and go ahead with it. Let's see the message. So the second card is assembled. So remaining one, and the last one, we are going to locate special YouTube gold button. Special YouTube gold button, still under special. So I'm going to look for this under new cards because I've not done it before. So you can see the first one at your right hand side. You click on it, you purchase it with 2,500 coin. So just join, and that will be all. So now you can see once you return, you'll be seeing this go ahead. So click on the go ahead, and we're almost there. So that's it. Take the price, and you've gotten your 5 million worth of Hamster Kombat coins. Thank you for staying back. See you next time.